The Denver Zoo, checking out the Denver Zoo lights. Should be a nice show to see. I'm Mark Brooks, welcome to my channel. I'm here with my brother Bryan and his wife Gina in Denver. We're checking out the zoo lights here. It's on Christmas Eve. See what weather to see. What else to see out here. Winter Wonderland here. Very colorful. All these trees lit up with lights. Got a crescent moon. Overhead. Like normal. Yeah. So much to see. So much we're going to be seeing as we move along. Seeing a lighted display of action. More lights including poinsettia flowers. More tremendous lights to see out here. Here's a variety of snacks being sold. Alpine nuts, crepe chalet, sausages, a variety of things. Interesting feature here. We've got a train here for kids to ride. Carousell Ride, called the Conservation Carousel. An interesting looking Christmas wreath. Christmas wreath with zoo animals on it. With a swinging monkey on it. Over here some elephants. Well, that's here is the widescreen display. Holiday Adventure. The display scenes from Christmas cartoons, Christmas movies. That's the conclusion of this video here at Denver Zoo, along with my brother Bryan and his wife Gina. So much to see and a lot more we couldn't catch, but I hope you enjoyed it and wish Merry Christmas and thanks for watching.